Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. This is my YouTube channel where I show you my little Zen paradise. Consisting of several tamarind trees at the moment. I grew these from a bunch of seeds that I got from a sour tamarind which I bought at a grocery store here in Florida. And I planted it, and this is about 3 years later. It is now doing pretty well. I've been fertilizing it with high quality bunny turds. So it is doing fantastic. And here's one which I purchased from a nursery. This is a sweet tamarind. Looks about the same. Seems like the structure of the tree might be a little different, but I've been pruning it to make sure it doesn't just become lanky. And I'm shaping all my fruit trees so they fit into a more general canopy. You can see up here we have some beautiful papaya. So hey, if you're not subscribed already, please check out and subscribe to Eat Your Backyard. Also check out my original music channel where I share all my original music, which I think